Efficient communication with customers and suppliers is crucial for any business. With Unleashed, you can create custom email templates and automate them to ensure timely updates on quotes, orders, invoices, returns, and more. To manage templates, go to Settings, Company, and Email Templates. Under the Transaction section, you'll see a list of email types. Let's customize the purchase order template. In the Email From field, specify the sender address. Leave it blank to send from the logged-in user or use a dedicated sender. For example, orders@yourcompany.com. Customize your subject line using the Show Variables button to insert dynamic fields like order_number, trading_name, and expected_date. Write the email body, also leveraging variables for personalization. Click Email Preview to send a test version to yourself. When your template looks just right, hit Save. We'll now work through step by step how to manually send this purchase order via email in Unleashed. Step 1. Open a PO. Step 2. In the template drop-down, select the Doc Designer template. Unleashed auto-selects the supplier's default if available, otherwise it'll select your company default. Step 3. Click Email at the bottom. Step 4. Supplier contacts tagged as purchasing automatically populate in the To field. Default CC emails are also pulled in. You can set these up under the Contacts tab in the View Supplier or Customer. Step 5. Adjust the email subject, body, and attachments and select Send me a copy if desired. And Step 6. Send the email. You can check delivery status via View Email Log at the bottom of the PO page or from Settings, Security, and Email Logs. To automate emails, navigate to Settings, System, and Automated Notifications. Here you can toggle triggers based on transaction status. For example, purchase order placed emails go to supplier contacts labeled Purchasing, or the supplier's primary contact if none are tagged. Sales order completed, shipment dispatched, invoice completed, quote pending, and supplier returns completed also send to contacts with relevant roles. Emails use the corresponding template you created and are only sent for transactions updated within Unleashed, not via integrations like Shopify. These are disabled by default, and Sandbox accounts don't trigger them. Lastly, ensure contacts in customer and supplier records have the relevant roles checked. For example, purchasing for supplier records and ordering, invoicing, and shipping for customer records. If no role is set, the primary contact will receive notifications. Using email templates and automations saves time and keeps stakeholders informed throughout every transaction. Thanks for watching.